In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Binance app for cryptocurrency trading. By the end of this guide, you will be familiar with downloading the app, navigating its features, and performing transactions. To begin, download the Binance app from your device's official app store. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, locate the app icon on your home screen and tap to open it. If you already have an account, proceed to log in using your registered email and password. If prompted, complete any security verification steps to ensure your account's safety. After logging in successfully, you will be greeted by the home screen, which serves as your main dashboard. Here you can see various sections such as home, markets, trade, futures, and wallet. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these tabs as they are essential for navigating the app. The Markets tab allows you to view real-time cryptocurrency prices, while the Trade tab provides access to buying and selling options. To perform transactions, first, you need to deposit funds into your wallet. Navigate to the Wallet tab and select Deposit. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit process. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during this step, as large transfers may take some time to process. Once your funds are available, you can execute trades either in the spot or futures sections. Selecting trade will take you to the trading interface where you can choose the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade, enter the amount and price at which you want to buy or sell, and confirm the transaction. It is important to monitor your balances and transaction history regularly to keep track of your investments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.